Morning, it's me, Jimmy. So the question is that can the AI kill the photography? My answer will be no. Recently, I was reading the article. There's a camera launched without any lens, which use your GPS, and then you give the prompt to the camera that your location, time of location, date, and then the point of interest, and it will create a picture. Yeah, there's a such stupid thing called AI camera. It's not like it will try to do some kind of AI to make the image better. It will not take any image, it will create image by using OpenAI dataset. AI can never kill photography, never. It can make certain editing better or easy, but it can't kill photography. This thing can never happen. It's so stupid. How people can think AI can kill photography? Photography for most people, the camera market is shrinking, but photography for us is a hobby. We will never leave photography. It can never kill. It's impossible to me. Never is gonna happen. Just sit down, relax. Never is gonna happen. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.